How to buy BEMU token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going out buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 21 hours ago and increased by 23,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token trending number 24 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now for that, as you can see, go to your wallet and select the base as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So as you can see, click on this plus icon to add your token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token you just added called BEMU. So after you find it, what you need to do is just click on it. As you can see, click here on swap and switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see here, and click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BEMU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.